Hi everyone, welcome to Colette's Temporary Kitchen. My name is Colette Matrigo. I am a Thermomix here in Australia, looking after customers and supplying Thermomixes to new customers all over Australia. Now in my house tonight I had a couple of apples that needed using up, and a really great way to use those up is to make some apple juice. Now the Thermomix is absolutely fantastic for juicing of all sorts. A couple of nights ago on my Facebook page I put my video for juicing orange. If you haven't made the orange juice in the Thermomix, please try. It's really quick and you don't have the complication of cleaning up a really messy juicing machine. Thermomix cleans itself, as you know. So this is my apple juice, basically very simple recipe. In here I have got 800 grams of filtered water, and to that I added 100 grams of sugar. Of course you can reduce that sugar content. This is just a beautiful apple juice that I love to drink, but you reduce that sugar down if you want to. So 800 grams of water, 100 grams of sugar, and then what I did is I kind of have made a sugar syrup with that. So you can't see much other than just kind of hot water, but the water and the sugar was actually mixed and heated up for 10 minutes at 100 degrees on speed 2. So that sugar has thoroughly melted in and I've created this kind of a sugar syrup. Now to that, all I need to do is to add my 2 apples that I've chopped up. I happen to have one green, one red. I've left the skin on. I've taken the core out, but yes, you can leave the core in if you want to. So that's going to be added in. Be careful because that water is hot. Nice and simple, apple's gone in. And then we just need a little bit of freshness added to that. So taking off a nice cheek of lemon. I'm just going to squeeze, probably want about a tablespoon, something like that, of lemon through there. And of course you can add more if you want to. That's the great thing with the Thermomix. You can create your own recipes and adjust the taste. Now all I need to do is to blend this together. Now if you have a TM5, you don't have that blending function. So what you will have to do for about a minute is go to speed 3 or 4 and then very slowly over that time increase it to 10. With the TM6 we have got a super powerful blender which is built in as one of the functions, and it's amazing. Very, very powerful. And after a year, it's not going to be like your NutriBullet or anything else like that. You don't have to replace the blades or the blender. It's going to go on and on. So I'm going to go into those functions. And Andrew, where's the blending function? Can you see there?
Bottom left.
That one there, yeah, blending. Sorry, I haven't got my glasses on, guys. Now it's saying 30 seconds, but remember, we want to give that up to a minute. So there we go, 1 minute. And all I do is hit the blend and off we go. And what the Thermomix will do with the TM6, it will start to mix it slowly and then build that
So say hi to Debbie and Josh. Houston, we have liftoff.
Just wondering, this is still quite hot. I just hope it's not going to crack my glass. Normally I have a different jug, but that's packed away in my garage somewhere. So that's done. It is still quite hot. Do you think we'll be all right in here, Andy?
Yeah, sure.
Should we go for it? Should we live dangerous?
Well, how hot is it?
Look at the steam.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Yeah, well, that
What
won't
do you reckon,
crack.
guys? Shall I pour
No,
it
no,
into
that's
this?
not gonna
gonna
crack. No, no.
Okay. So, but you can see here, that's our kind of apple juice. Don't be tempted to put more than that 800 grams in because it's going to mix up. You don't want it coming out. And I'm just going to pass this through. Please don't break. And now, if you like the pulp, just pop it through. But I'm just taking some of that pulp out. 2 apples, guys, a bit of sugar and water, and we have got amazing apple juice. Now, if you're going to enjoy this, just pop some beautiful ice cubes in. It's going to be great. Just give that a little bit of a mix up.
Camilla asks, just to remind her, how long were you blending for?
So just 1 minute is all the blending needs.
On the TM6.
On the TM6, 1 minute, and also on the TM5, but you're going to have to control it. But seriously, if you haven't got your TM6 yet, now is the time. You know, you get all those additional functions. We've got this great offer on, which you all know. Give me a call. So there we go.
And Sharon asked, how about the TM5? But you've covered that already. So Sharon, rewind and look at this video later.
Oh, Andrew, you're a hard man. Please treat my customers nicely. So, I wish I could just show you how. Can you see the colour? Can you see how nice and clear that is? And even if that's hot, it is seriously delicious. If you wanted, you could actually. No, I'll forget that. That's too complex. But just pop that there, let it cool down, pop it in your fridge, enjoy that cold. 2 apples. Who needs to go to the shops and buy apple juice? Love it, and you can control the sugar. So I'm going to pop that into the fridge in a minute. That lovely little jug was like a couple of dollars from IKEA. I love IKEA. It's so cheap to buy all their bits and pieces. Now, just before I head off, we had our Arabian cooking experience last night. Thank you to all those that came along. And I just want to show you a cake that we made. It's absolutely delicious. I need to find it though. I think it's in my collections. It's on Cookie Doo, and I recommend you give it a try. So I'm going to go to my recipes, my created collections, and I did have, I thought I had, was it Arabia, Andy? It was Arabia, wasn't it? Okay, recently cooked. Let's go to recently cooked. That's a much better idea. So, oh, this isn't the machine I used it on. That's why. I will put it up on my feedback post. It's a soft date kind of cake. It had so many flavorants in there. So this is a slice of it here with a bit of cream. And it's got bits of cinnamon and dates, and the mixture was just beautiful. And then to dress that up, I'm just going to use a little bit of date syrup, which you get in Woolies, and that's going to add a little bit of tartness to it, which is going to be beautiful. Just sprinkle that on top. Kind of looks like chocolate, but a bit healthier. And then it's got nuts through this as well. And then I'm just going to sprinkle on those nuts and really enjoy this. So, I'm going to have a little slice now because I love it so much. I am always eating. Thermomix person always eats. Yum. So it's just... I'm definitely putting this in my regular cake bakes. This is last night was the first time I made it. Just absolutely yummy, and I've never used the date syrup on top of a cake like that before. It's a really great addition to have. It's yummy, isn't it? Only the dates and these
pretty damn good.
Cinnamon, the nuts through it, really good. So that's me for tonight. Don't forget our special for your TM6 is on for a very limited time. And as always, you do have the opportunity to come on board, join our team and earn it. So you can earn a Thermomix if you don't have one. If you've got a TM5 or TM31, consider earning your own TM6. At the moment, we've got 36-month interest free, so you can get this baby in your kitchen for just $16.83 a week. That's phenomenal. You will not miss that money. And you get a free little mini vac, which is fabulous. Andrew's actually packed mine away, so I can't show you. It's in the garage in one of the boxes, and I'm so cranky at that, but never mind. And that's valued at $300. So give me a call. You know how to get hold of me. So apple juice, please make it, have a go. I'll put a little recipe card up for it, and I will have another of my reference sheets going up late tonight, so that will be on my Facebook page in the morning for you. Thank you everyone. Have a beautiful evening from Andrew and I. See you next time. Bye for now.